Trending ang sweet reunion ni Sandara Park at ng kanyang Pinay elementary teacher.
Sandara, remember me?
Oh, you're still here.
I was her advisor when she was in grade 6.
Yeah.
You know what kind of a girl she was? Very quiet.
Naiyak si Dara nang makita niya muli ang kanyang grade 6 advisor sa isang school sa Pasay. Sobrang tahimik daw noon ni Dara sa school, kaya daw hindi rin in-expect ng teacher niya na sisikat siya. Nasa Pilipinas ang K-pop star kasama ang Co-21 member na si Minzy. Para yan sa kanyang vlog na It's More Fun with Dara Tour in the Philippines.
What's the secret makeup mo? You know what makes us so proud is she was able to learn Filipino.
Yes.
Able to communicate with everybody because before she wasn't like that.
Yeah.
Mga kapatid, Jania Lipon po, laging maging updated sa latest sa entertainment and lifestyle para maging una sa balitaan. Bisitahin at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.